How to use Alchemy in Logic Pro X. Now there's a ton of videos out there that go over every knob, every function, every feature, the detailed deep dive into Alchemy. It's not what we're doing here. You guys are free to go in there and experiment with Alchemy. But what I'm going to do here is just implement it into the song I have already on the go. I just demoed Sculpture for you guys. So we'll do the same thing with Alchemy. Pull up your instruments, go to Alchemy, which is the first thing on the drop down. We have our categories, subcategories, genres, etc. I'm going to go to pads. And same thing, just utilize the same thing we were doing in the previous chapter and just go through some of these. But I love the presets. I don't really do much more than choose a preset and alter it with this a little bit and maybe take out some of the reverb or delay. And that's about it. Okay, so let's go and start something.
Can't believe that you did me like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna bounce right back, cause love myself, gotta love yourself before you love anyone else, yeah. I can't believe that you did me like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna bounce right back, cause love myself, you gotta love yourself before you love anyone else, yeah. Can't believe that you did me like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna bounce right back, cause love myself, gotta love yourself before you love anyone else, yeah. I can't believe that you did me like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna bounce right back, cause love myself, you gotta love yourself before you love anyone else, yeah.
And that, my friends, is how you use Alchemy, or how I would use Alchemy in this track. It has all the other sound types. Yes, I'm not going to go into an EDM sudden drop and demo a lead, but it's the same thing. You get it. You have your variation here. What I like to do is automate this. I'll start here, and by the end of the bar, I'm here and then bringing it back. And it's got a nice loopy, swirly effect going on that spreads out the stereo image nicely. That would be almost impossible to do manually with everything. So I utilize Alchemy mostly for its pads. And okay, I'm lying. Sometimes I'll just go to Alt and just randomly go through stuff until something sonically pleases me that complements what I'm doing in my track, and I put it in there. You can go to a simple view, you can go to an advanced view and alter every sound as well. You can also search for stuff here, save sounds, open sounds, etc. And that is the quickest but most efficient walkthrough you'll get on how to use Alchemy in Logic Pro X. Next lesson.